Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO X109 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner twice, then select Got It and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting event over here. Then you can adjust it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, set up starting or ending hour over here, or disable this feature completely by tapping on the sweater next to all day. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, tap on them, take notes and even click on add location. Choose while using the app, type in an address and click on the correct one. When you're ready, save your event by choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added, but you can always edit it by clicking on it over here, then selecting pen icon at the top right corner of it and making your changes, then tapping on save again. If you wish to delete it though, you can do that by tapping on it, but this time selecting those three dots, tapping on delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!